Hey everybody, what do you say we fire up this Masterbuilt 560 and cook us something really good? Let's get started. We're going to start this off with about 2 inches of Royal Oak charcoal hardwood lump. Put that in the hopper first. I think the hopper's empty. Yep, ain't nothing in there. All right. There's about a couple inches of hardwood lump. And now for our smoke wood. This is what we're going to be using. Some pine wood. Yep, I said that right. This is pine. We're going to smoke some beef ribs on some pine wood today. See how they turn out. Got some split up chunks right here. Put us about 6 of them in there. Then we'll put some more charcoal on top. Got us another bucket full of charcoal. That'll be plenty to cook these beef ribs. Can't forget to get some of these pieces of pine, throw them in there in your ash bin. Get a little bit more smoke that way. Alright, let's fire it up. Got our Tiger McCool fire cup holder right there. We're going to take a piece of his fire cup. It only takes 1/4 of a fire cup, one of them large ones, to start this Masterbuilt 560. Those fire cups are really good. They burn a long time. I like them. Yeah, what do you think this is going to taste like? Cooking them beef flanking ribs on some pine wood. Yeah, we're going to find out here in a little bit. I ain't never used it before. This is the first time. Alright, we got this up and running. We're going to bring it up to about 250. We get a good smoke on them ribs. Now it's time to get these babies seasoned up. Check it out. We got us some flanking ribs. These come from Walmart. Got some pretty good marbling. They're about 1 inch thick. Got some nice marbling in them. We're going to give these a shot. Can't forget good old Dexter knife. Like these now, these are good. Get these out of here. Look there, that's not bad at all. Yeah. I think these are going to be real good. Nice and thick. I ain't putting nothing on these but some salt, pepper, and garlic. Some SPG. That's it. I want that smoke to come through. I want to taste what that's going to be like. Ought to be interesting. These ain't getting nothing but salt, pepper, and garlic on all sides. Just like that. Ready to go. Alright, let's get these babies on here. We are smoking. Put these up here on this top rack. Keep them away from the heat as far as we can. Put them in here where they're not touching. Not like that right there. Take one probe, stick it in one over here on this side. We're going to take another probe, put it on one on this side. Right there. All right. We'll see what happens. I'm using the Nextame meat thermometer. I got both probes set at 170 each. We'll bring it up to 170, then we may wrap it, see what the color is, see where we go from there. Check for doneness, tenderness, all that good stuff. And there's the probe temperatures. One is 78 and the other one's 88 or 68. All right, it's been about 3 hours now. Let's take a look and see what we got here. Oh yeah, temperature's right on. We're at 165, 175. I think it's time to take these off. Give these a try here, see what you think. Looks pretty good. Give us a try. That's good. That was real good. All right, now I'll tell you the secret about this. This is called Australian pine. It was brought into Florida in the 1890s, and it's a very prolific grower around here on the Gulf Coast. So come to find out that it is a really good cookwood also, and great firewood. And I'll leave a screenshot here of what it's described as, but come from Australia. It's only in Florida and Hawaii. Turned out real good. If you can get you some of it, give it a try. You'll like it. Does real good on beef. I'm gonna try it on some other meats too, see what happens. All right, guys, and that's how these turned out. They turned out real good. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.